Good evening, Professor. I'm Nazeeh Ahmed. This is my student number, and I'm here to represent my homework in control systems. So, there is a homework you gave us in block diagram reduction. So, we have here G1 and H1. H1 is a feedback for G1, and there's G2, G3, and there's also a forward loop, or it's parallel with G2 and H2, G2 and G3, that is H2, and we have also H3, and it's in all the way here in feedback with all of these components. So how we can reduce it? So first of all, let's move this branch here, H2, to here, and the formula for that is like H2 over G2. So it's gonna be moved from here to here with this new data, or H2 over G2. So it's like change, and we have here also G1 and H1 in feedback. So it's gonna be like the formula for feedback is G1 over 1 minus G1 H1. Why minus? Because there is a positive sign here, so it's gonna be like change from positive to minus. So let's redraw it. We have here X, summing point, also another summing point. There is H3, also H1, and there is G1, and this H2. We have here G2, and we moved this block which is H2 here, and it's making like a forward loop with G3. So we have H2 here, but it changed from H2 to H2 over G2 by this formula. So it's like H2 over G2 here. Here, yeah, we have summing point here, and it's Y. There is also H3. It's from here to here, all the way here. So it's feedback with that. So we have G1 H1 is gonna be reduced to G1 over 1 minus G1 H1, and after that it's gonna be like one block here. It's gonna be multiplied with this G2. So let's draw it. G1 G2 over 1 minus G1 H1. There is all the way here H3. We have summing point here, and H3x. So also we have G3 in parallel with H2 over G2. So the parallel formula is like just adding them. So we have here another block, and it's called G3 plus H2 over G2, and we have our X or Y here. So no need for another summing point here, because we have done it here. And also we removed this summing point, so it was like minus, positive, 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 and we reduced this. So we have like 3 blocks. This is like feedback. So we have G1 H1, G1 G2 over 1 minus G1 H1, over, we have here positive, so it's gonna be no, we have here, sorry, negative, so we have here 1 plus g1 g2 h3 over 1 minus g1 h1, so it's a block. And we have our another block is like g3 plus h2 over g2 is gonna be y. Have x here. So for this is gonna be like, let's move to another paper. So we have our last block is like this. We have g1 g2 over 1 minus g1 h1, and this denominator, and we have this, so it's gonna be added like this. So we have g1 and g2 g3 plus g1 h2, because it's like cancel this g2 with this g2, so over our denominator is g1 h1 1 minus g1 h1 plus g1 h2, and we have h3, yeah, h3, and this is our final result. And our transfer function is gonna be like y over x. It's gonna be this in this form: g1 g2 g3 plus g1 h2 over 1 minus g1 h1 plus g1 h2 h3. So this is my homework, and I hope it's satisfied you what you're looking for, and it's finished. Thanks.